Today, let's talk about a crashing price that sweeps the liquidity in higher time frames. What can we do about it? What does it really mean? Imagine a very important liquidity level, a higher time frame liquidity level, or maybe an institutional level like previous day low. And you open the hourly charts. Imagine this is the 1-hour chart with 1-hour candlesticks. Price sweeps the important liquidity level. Then what will happen? How can we read this price action? How can we trade this? What you see here is 1, 2, 3, or 4-hour time frames together, basically mostly hourly candlesticks. Since we are day traders, hourly candles are really important. If you notice the price action like this one here, price continues to take out the low levels with strong breaks. This means still a weakness in the price. Seller power continues. Then, if you also see these big imbalance areas, the momentum is still strong in the downside, still favors the bearish power. At this point, the important liquidity level area can turn into a support and resistance flip location, basically a masterclass amplifier. I hope that all this part is very clear. But what if we see these large rejection wicks at the liquidity sweeps with multi-level hourly candles? This is the initial weakness for the sellers. It means that buyers are not happy with the sellers and trying to push back the price. A fight starts. And then if we start strongly seeing these breaks upwards, it means buyers finally try to take the control back from the sellers, try to start a rally. A possible reversal will happen here. And watching the imbalances in the area will help you a lot. Failing bearish imbalances followed by a bullish momentum imbalances is just great for us as bull traders. Okay, in the hourly charts, we solved this price action. Then how can we trade this? This is the main question, right? You just start watching the minute-based candles this time. In the minute-based charts, watching the inner liquidity sweeps, these small sweeps, we can take them as small gas stations to fuel the price. And maybe seeing a couple of inner support resistance flip points will boost the entry points like this. And sometimes price will only boost it by just imbalances. It is impossible to know for 100% sure which will work the best. Okay, let's work on a real life example. This is a single layout chart. I just try to put everything in one chart so you can see all the price action here at once. At the top, we have mostly hourly time frames from 1 to 4 hours. As you notice, on the left we have the 15-minute chart as a small guidance for us. And the bottom, we have the minute-based charts. 1 minute time frame open to see all the long price action. And on the right, we have the multiple minute-based time frames with 5, 10, and 15 minutes. This simple layout will allow us to see every price action with every time frames at once without switching between time frames. Let's start with the hourly chart and analyze the price itself. As you notice, price sweeps the PDL, the previous day level, the institutional level. Then watch what happens. Price rejects the area with large wicks. You can see it in all the time frames with hourly charts. There is no continuation. This is the first sign of the weakness in the trend. After that, what happens? Notice carefully. Price starts to keep taking hourly candle highs. A possible reversal in action here. Buyers taking the control back from the sellers and try to push the price up. And along the way, you can see the bullish imbalances appear, adding more confluences to the movement. So if this is a reversal, where is the price try to move to? Yes, a clear level above PDH, the previous day high. So, right here, we have a massive rally. But how to trade this rally in action while it is happening? We watch all the price action in the hourly based charts until this moment. It is time to focus on the bottom part, the minute based charts, and talk about it. As you know, we observed the rally in the hourly time frames. Now let's observe the rally in the minute based charts. Same price action, same price levels. But now we use the minute based charts. Notice these small inner liquidity sweep areas in the 1 minute. All these small sweeps actually happen at the area of 5-minute imbalances if you carefully look at it. Remember, we are rallying towards the PDH, the previous day high, as our target. In these liquidity sweep areas, you can also notice the couple of inner SR flips as well, as extra confluences to push the price. So all these areas are extremely nice places to enter trades, or at least build some cost averages. And at the top, this last moment was almost perfect. A nice inner liquidity area created, just above the cool SR Philip line, but just the price never swept the area, as I'm watching the price live. But with this general strategy and the main patterns, we can find so many entries. I think this video needs to be studied like 10 to 20 times. This is not a simple video. It teaches you how to read the price, how to understand the price, how to connect to the price. Okay people, this was a nice practical video. Take care for now. See you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you